Hello, my name is Navodavishka Hewavantunga, and this is EMR simulation project, Sprint 2 Reflection. Here are the client details. Our clients are Chelsea Webb, Elisa, and Karen, Federation University of Nursing Department. Here are my team members, Melanie, Product Owner, Tanmoy, Scrum Master, me, Navod, Mohammed, and Kelvin are developers. As for the hourly contribution in this sprint, I have separated all the tasks that I have did during this sprint on the right side. As you can see, I have dedicated a total of 38 hours for this sprint. As for the team progress, we finished implementing main React screens for the student portal. We created all the backend APIs for the student portal. And finally, we integrated all the student portal React screens with the backend APIs. Let me show you the React component. So here the login as a student, the student login page. And then you here, this is the student home page, the patient list page. You can see all the details of the patient. And then you click it, you have the ads chart for the patient. You can record all the values of these parameters and you can save the data. And then you have the IV fluid chart. This will be given by the supervisor. And here the student can give the date and time of the end start and then the signature, and they can enter the record, which after that they can delete it. As for the PRN medication chart for the patient, as you can see, this will be given by the supervisor, where the student can see these medications prescribed to the particular patient, as you can see here below the patient details. And then according to that, they can give the medication. So they can select medicine that is prescribed, and then they can select the time, date, time, dosage, and the signature, and they can enter at what time, date, and the dosage they have given the patient this dosage of the medicine. And if they want, they can delete it as well. The same with the regular medication chart. They get the medication for the patient, and they can enter when they gave the medication to the patient. As you can see, the final record is entered. They can delete it if it's wrong. These are the backend APIs that we have created for the front-end screens. So moving forward, when talk about the individual contribution, I created the student home page where you can see the patient list, both the React part and the backend API integration. And I created also the UI part and the backend API integration of the student PR and medication chart. Apart from that, I also implemented the React screen for the regular medication chart for the student and integrated it with the backend API. Here are those parts. As you can see, these screens, this PR and medication chart and the regulation medication chart. So moving forward, when talk about the challenges faced, one of the main challenges is the complexity of the state management, how to coordinate between numerous states, especially when interfaces in the backend APIs. And the other is dynamic data binding, effective state management, and particularly when handling real-time data updates. And one other final challenge is problems with the API integration, like managing asynchronous API requests and answers, and so that it smoothly converse with the front-end UIs. Um, what have I learned during Sprint 2? Like I faced a lot of difficulties technically, and when it comes to component management, routing, and reusabilities. But solving these problems kind of improved my capacity in problem solving skills, and also it kind of improved my debugging skills. And one of the other things I learned is how to kind of manage the complex situations, complex problems by dividing it into problems that I can solve and deliver the task during the sprint on time. So what could I have done better? I could have done the code reusability, which is like into some forms that we have tables, buttons, and everything. If I could have done it beforehand so that it could be reused again, it would have been really better. And one of the other thing is the error management. in API integration and all the other functionalities. The error management could have been done better so that it will enhance the application's dependability and user friendliness. When it comes to the stream specific knowledge, I would say I learned a lot about agile project management with the help of leadership in project management module. And I also learned about software testing with the help of 7409 software testing. And my previous knowledge regards to React helped me a lot completing this project. Thank you.